Hello viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet bed cover designs model. Creating a crochet bed cover can be a wonderfully personal and creative project. Here are some design ideas and tips to get you started on making a beautiful crochet bed cover. Number 1. Choose your yarn. Material. Consider the warmth, weight and texture. Cotton, acrylic or a blend can work well for durability and easy for care. Color. Decide if you want a single color, a monochromatic seam, or multiple colors. Variegated yarns can add a beautiful multicolored effect without needing to change yarns. Number 2. Select a pattern. Granny squares. Classic and versatile. This can be made in various sizes and colors, then stitched together. Ripple pattern, a zigzag crochet that creates a visual and textural wave effect. Motifs such as stars, flowers, or hexagons join together to form the bed cover. Fillet crochet, using simple crochet stitches and chain spaces to create a grid-based pattern that can be very intricate. Number 3. Consider the stitch texture. Bubble stitch, perfect for adding a pop of texture. Shell stitch creates a semi-leaky look that's very appealing in larger projects. Basket wave stitch, give a thick, cozy texture, great for heavier bed covers. Number 4. Determine the size. Measure your bed. Ensure the cover fits appropriately, considering whether it will hang over the sides of the bed or just cover the top. Sample square. Crochet a small sample square to calculate how many squares or motifs you will need based on your chosen gauze and hook size. Number 5. Finishing touches. Edging, a scalloped, picot, or curved stitch edge can frame your bed cover beautifully. Joining technique. If using squares or motifs, consider the method of joining them. Seamless joining can be particularly elegant. Blocking. Lock your pieces before joining to align the stitches and give your bed cover a professional finish. Number 6. Maintenance tips. Washing. Use gentle cycles or hand wash to maintain the texture and color of your yarn. Storage. Store it in a cool, dry place during off seasons to prevent mildew and weeds. Choose the right yarn. For bed covers, durability and ease of maintenance are key. Acrylic, cotton, or wool blends are good choices due to their durability and ease of care. Right hook size. Make sure to use the appropriate hook size for your yarn. A larger hook will protect a looser fabric. Which can be nice for a lighter cover, while a smaller hook will create a denser fabric, ideal for a heavier cover. By planning your design, choosing the right materials, and applying careful crafting techniques, you can create a unique and personal crochet bed cover that adds warmth and style to your bedroom. Creating a crochet bed cover can be a wonderfully personal and creative project. Happy crocheting! Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.